Hey, what is going on? What's up everyone? Welcome back to another brand new video. This is Manit from Radiate Studios and today we're going to review the Feelworld Monitor LUT 6. Now before we dive right into the unboxing part of the video, let me give you guys a little insight of the specs of this bad boy right here. So this is a 6-inch monitor display that comes with a 2600 nits of brightness. With the 2600 nits of brightness, you don't need a hood to operate even in bright sunlight during the day. But with the Atomos Ninja, it has only 1000 nits, which is kind of a down point of this monitor. This also supports HDR preview and 3D LUT input. This 6-inch monitor also supports touchscreen function, which makes it so much convenient to use it on set. For the screen resolution, this is 920 by 1080 pixels, which supports 4K HDMI input and output. Now the Feelworld LUT 6 comes at about $289, which is half the price of the Atomos Ninja V. There are pros and cons between two of these devices, but keep in mind that the Feelworld LUT 6 does not compromise a lot of the great features that the Atomos Ninja V has. With the 6-inch monitor of the Feelworld LUT 6, it is absolutely perfect for me. For a person like me who's always on the go, who's always on the run and gun type of shoot, this is not too big, neither too small. If you look at the other options from the Atomos, there is Atomos Shogun, which is about 7-inch. Again, that could be a little big for me to carry around on my run and gun shoot. Now without further ado, let's jump right in and unbox this little bad boy right here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple design right here of the box. And slide it open right here real quick. Now we have the user manual right here. And then there is touchscreen operating instruction. Now comes the monitor itself. It's pretty neat. The simple plastic wrap. This is it, guys. Feelworld 4K Ultra Bright. So we got an on and off switch right here. A long press will turn on and turn off the device, but a short one will activate the touch function or deactivate the touch function with this one simple click right here. And then we have the menu scrolling button right here. You can scroll it left to right, or you can either press it to function. We got the HDMI input and HDMI output. This you can use to connect with your camera, and this HDMI output can be used as an output for your other external monitor or a wireless transmission system. And at the bottom we have the headphone jack, we have the DC input and DC output, and an SD card slot. SD card slot can be used if you need to upgrade the firmware of this monitor, or it can be used to input the 3D LUT that you want to see on the preview. Then we have this mount at the bottom that we can mount it with the arm, and one on the right hand side of the screen. If you look at the back, there is a battery slot right here, and you can use NPF Sony battery in order to operate. A Sony NPF 970 battery can last about 3 hours in one of these devices, even with the ultra bright display. Now there's also a fan at the back that helps the device to cool down when it starts to get heat. So there is an arm that you can use to connect it with your camera and the monitor. And there is an HDMI cable. This HDMI cable comes with the proper HDMI only on one side. The other side is a micro HDMI and a mini HDMI. Now that we have everything lined up here out of the box, I'm gonna use one of these NPF battery to start up the device. And a long press on this button right here will turn on the device. And then I'm gonna connect this with the arm right here. Also, there is so many functions right here on screen, which I will make a video about on the future. Now I'm really excited to test out the Feelworld LUT 6 monitor in the real world environment. In terms of build quality, the Feelworld LUT 6 has a slightly lower build quality comparing with the Atomos Ninja V, but that's absolutely fine considering that you're getting the Feelworld LUT 6 with almost half the price of the Atomos Ninja V. The Atomos Ninja V has a huge advantage of being able to record ProRes and ProRes RAW externally with the supported cameras. So if you need a ProRes resolution or higher quality codecs for your video, you probably want to check out the Atomos Ninja V. But for me, I film all of my works internally with a fast SD card, and having an external monitor is just a great addition to be able to see things on a bigger screen. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. Also, if you're interested in checking out some behind the scenes shots of how I set and prepare myself for this unboxing video, and all the equipments that I used, make sure to go check out my Patreon account from the link in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Until next time, stay awesome. Peace out.